So we've got a bit of work here where we've got all about different bits of marking on there. Can you tell me first of all, what does this CF mean?
CF means cooperative feedback, and it's where we work with our learning partner and we discuss where we've gone wrong and we fix it in our red pen to help us see the mistakes, and this helps our learning because when we make a mistake, like say you've spelled which wrong and you corrected it.
With your learning partner?
With your learning partner.
Okay, so what about... Okay, good. What about this SP and this P then? What do they mean?
The P means that there's some punctuation problems in here, so like Don walked down the park and he couldn't see the rotary, and so you have to put some punctuation in.
So you might have missed a comma or something?
Yeah,
okay, and the SP then?
The SP means spelling, and Miss Harvey or every teacher or some teachers put a number like 1 or 2 next to it, and she puts the numbers and the SP at the bottom of our work so it doesn't look a complete mess and it's not very nice.
Okay, so it makes the editing just a little bit neater.
Yeah, it makes the editing
okay, and what about this success criteria where you've got the different coloured pencils coloured in next to it?
That's a very fun way of learning and marking our
do you mark that, or does your learning partner mark it, or do I mark it? Who does that marking?
We mark it, and so say you needed a subheading, you would colour one of the evidence boxes in next to subheading in, and then you would underline your
find the evidence in your work.
Find the evidence in our work.
Okay,
it's very fun.
Why do you think that helps your learning?
I think it helps my learning because it's very fun and I like doing it, and so I'm like inspired to do it again.
Okay.
Inspired to do more work.
Because you know what goes in it, you know what you should include.
Yeah, we know what we should include.
Okay. What about this pink dot here? What does that mean?
It means there's like something wrong in there, or avoidable spelling error maybe, or there's something that we should really spot. Okay, so
it just makes you have a look back through and you've got to try and find it.
Yeah.
And are all those things done in the lesson or after the lesson?
Sometimes we do it in the lesson, sometimes the lesson is this, or sometimes we do it at the beginning of another lesson.
Okay, and let's go to the next piece of work then. So this one, this was just a pre-assessment to see how well you got on with this. What does this? I'll put check capital letters for names of landmarks. When do I do that?
You do it.
Do I do it after the lesson or during the lesson?
Well, it depends really on the lesson. Well, you usually do it after the lesson.
And then when do you get a chance to go back through and check those?
We usually get a chance at the beginning of the next lesson.
The beginning of the next lesson. Okay, good. And the last question then, do you prefer it when I mark your work during the lesson with verbal feedback or punctuation and spelling, or do you prefer it when I give you a little comment after the lesson for you to change at the beginning of the next lesson?
Well, I think myself would prefer it if you marked it like you do, not during the lesson, for me to do something after the lesson because I'm quite forgetful. But I think I like it like this.
So you prefer it when I put the comment for you to look at the next lesson?
Yes.
Okay, why?
I think I prefer it, 1, because it doesn't mean I forget, and
okay.
2, because I think it's easier to look at myself.
Okay, you like to see exactly what you've got to do?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant, thank you.
It keeps my head